Hey guys, let's unbox this Blink video doorbell. You see here, that's the battery powered, but this one requires the sync module, which is not included here in this package, but I have it here because I just got this other Blink camera and this one brings the sync module, right? So I'm gonna use this sync module from this box to make this one work. So you can see the image from your cell phone, from your Alexa device, and you're good to go, right? And here, let me just show you more information about this one. It comes with 2-year battery life, so basically it's gonna run for 2 years using the AA lithium battery. You can see people head to toe. You see here the way you can see somebody approaching your camera. There are smart notifications, so you can just receive notification about somebody approaching your door, for example, and two-way audio. So you can talk to somebody that's close to your door. You just use your cell phone to do that, and it's water resistance, right? So super simple. Let me just bring it back here and open it up. There we go. It's a pretty new one, and we see the video doorbell camera just right here. Just remove from this box. There we go. Oh, there's the plate for the installation. Oh, you see that I can just install this one first. Then I bring the video doorbell and put it here, which is very easy, okay? And here you see the camera, and there's a microphone, and here people can just press so it rings, right? So the microphone, the LED, and everything else. And super easy to install because here you can just put the batteries. See here the information for 1.5 volts lithium batteries only. And it's gonna last at least 2 years, right? And here's the QR code, so you can just use your Blink app to monitor everything. So super easy. I'm see what else comes here in the box. There we go. There's a Blink video quick start guide. And see what information is available here. Oh, just some information about the battery, safety, and stuff like this. I don't think there's so much information here, but it's okay, right? And here it comes with the batteries. See? AA battery, 3 of them. And it's supposed to last like for 2 years. So it brings with everything you need for installation, basically the camera, the video doorbell, the plate, and the batteries, the user guide. Here is the kit and the wires if you're going to use hardwired, right? It's pretty simple. And then here is a template for the installation. Basically everything that you need for the installation. Again, that's the Blink video doorbell. I'm gonna install this and set it up later. I hope that helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.